Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cargo's channel. Today's video will be a review of the Fantaseal C-shape stabilizer mount for DSLR, phone, GoPro and camcorder. So today's not gonna be a car related video, so if you're here for that, just skip to the next one. So this video is not sponsored by Fantaseal, but they did send the C-shape mount and it looks pretty nice. I've actually had it for a few weeks, but I have not used it. Now says it's a stabilizer, but there are no motion, like gimbals and stuff like that, so I would assume you're probably gonna have to need a OIS, optically image stabilized camera to use this. Not necessary of course, but we do have the Panasonic G85, which has dual optical image stabilization in the lens and in body. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mount this and see how easy it is to mount on this. All right. Also, the stabilizer mount has these little three slots where you can put the camera, so you can achieve a perfect balance of it. Okay, remove the lens cap. That seems pretty good to me. All right, I think that's gonna work. I should have probably opened the screen before I put it on, but that's not a problem because we have this contraption right here. It's one of the things that come for the top of this Fantaseal mount, and it is a slot for you to put your phone. All right, let's tighten it up real quick, put it in the right spot, and yep, let's see if it works. Yeah, it's a perfect fit for my Galaxy S8, which already have a broken screen. Yes, I broke my phone. All right, we're gonna turn the camera on now, and I'm gonna go take a few pictures. I'm gonna try and attempt to take a roller with this contraption, see how steady it is for video and also for pictures on the go. Yeah, let's see. Then I'm gonna take you back to my office and we're gonna discuss whether this is actually good or not. But first, let's connect it to the phone so I can actually see the image that comes from the camera on the screen right here. We got the Panasonic image up, installed and on, and we're gonna do remote operation, and you can see me on the screen of this. So okay, I can see on the viewfinder that we don't get any. I was afraid that we can get some of this front part of the mount, but that is not the case. So I'm gonna go out, take a few photos, take a few videos, see if it actually works. Okay, so there it is, the Fantasio C-shape stabilizer mount for your phone, blah blah blah, etc. I didn't tell you guys how much this cost because I was a bit skeptical of whether it's gonna perform the right way or not. So after using it a little bit and reviewing the footage, I actually do like it. Materials are cheap, but it actually feels sturdy. So I don't really feel bad putting my camera on, my phone on, and getting out through the window of the car and making a video with a moving car. Now I did not do any rollers because I had nobody else to drive the car and me take the pictures. But I did a nice, video from outside the window, as you probably saw a bit earlier. Now this thing costs 20 bucks, $21, and I'm gonna list it down below, of course, because it actually is quite usable with a stabilized camera. So if the camera is not stabilized, it's gonna be jittery and but it works. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be using it again a lot more for rollers and videos where I hold it from up above, and luckily this camera that you are filmed on right now is stabilized. So yeah, definite recommendation. Check it for the lowest price. Check the link down in the description. If you did like today's video, why not hit the thumbs up? Makes me nice and warm and fuzzy inside when you do that. Subscribe for a lot more videos to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.